Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be reviewing and unboxing this Transformers Siege War for Cybertron Decepticon Airstrike Patrol. And in this 2-pack of Micromasters we have Visper and Stormcloud. And then they combine to form a large sword-like weapon made out of airplanes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here they are out of the box. On the left here is Stormcloud, and on the right here is Visper. So let's take a look at Stormcloud first. Let's get some focus here. There you go. Nice detail on the face, but I do wish the eyes were painted a different color. Not a big fan of his jet arms or hands for jet engines for hands, but again, these are very tiny transformers, so not really too much to complain about. Here we have Visper. Would have been nice if there was some paint detail on the eyes, but that's okay. All in all, pretty nice, decent figure here. I like that there's paint accents here. The red reminds me, the jet mode of this reminds me of the Cobra. I think it's called Nighthawk. I can't remember. Okay, let's go to articulation here. No articulation on the head, of course, like other Micromasters. On the arms, it can go 360, but it needs some clearance. It is on a ball joint. It does have elbow articulation, but you know, that's mainly for the transformation. No waist articulation on the legs. It goes up, bends at the knee. I don't know if you want to count that as articulation, but it can do that. Can do the splits almost, and they are on a ball joint. Same for this guy, Visper, except he does not have elbow articulation, but he can move his arms, but he can't go all the way because of his wings. Same thing for the legs, goes up, whoops, pops up, pops out easily. Bends at the knee a little more than 90 degrees, and that's pretty much it. It is also on a ball joint as well. Okay, let's get to transforming them into jet mode, if he will stand. Alright, here we go. First, Stormcloud. Let's bring his wings out, bring his arms up, and then fold his, well, swing his arms the opposite way, and then bring it all the way back so it locks in place like this. His legs is going to actually twist around like this because it's going to come back. So twist around like this and bends like that, and you can see there's a little tab here, over there, and a little slot there, you can see, and they just notch into place along with this little slot in the arm, like so. Do the same on the other side, and he's kind of doing the splits, and then the jet nose comes down like this, and there you go. Very nifty little airplane. See if we can get it focused. There you go. Hey, Visper. Here we have Visper to transform him we're gonna flip his toes down like this. The nose of the airplane comes down, and all this locks into place like this. And the arm has a little slot here that this just tabs into there. So he basically, to transform him, he basically stands straight. Let's notch him in there. And then the head can go up like that. But I believe it just does like this for now. When it transforms into a combined weapon, it does that. Very nice jet mode. I like it a lot. Okay, to turn them into their combined form, his head, Visper, flips out like this. So you have this little post, and the jet's nose comes up like this and just tucks in like that, because this becomes the handle for the weapon. And you basically just attach them together. You can see there's little notches here for the wings, so they kind of like line up like that. And there you go. Hey, let's see them with a deluxe figure holding it in hand. Actually, we'll take leader Voyager's class Megatron, who comes with his own sword, and have him try this as a sword. So there he is. Okay, let's get them into robot mode and do some size comparisons. Okay, so here they are in robot mode next to some Autobot Micromasters. Here they are next to Legends size Brawn. Let's see if I can get them all in. And here they are next to Flywheels, or Skytread. I forget what's his name. Here's the deluxe class War for Cybertron. Siege War for Cybertron Decepticon, and next to Voyager class Megatron. Here they are next to Leader class Ultra Magnus. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.